So, yes, welcome everybody. So, let us start with today's session. आज का सेशन हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. कल हम लोगों ने ग्रुप 1, 2 और 3A करा था, बट आज हम करेंगे ग्रुप 4, 5 and 6. We'll be doing group 4, 5 and 6 today. So, in group 4, we are having diagrams, and these are vowel diagrams. So, now I am sharing you the chart wherein you are getting all the 42 sounds which I've shared yesterday as well, so that we get a clear idea and a picture about group 4, 5 and 6. Yes, I hope it's visible to you all. Yes, so we have done till group 3. Now we'll be doing group 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now, see, there may be a question in your mind that why this group 4 is having two letters altogether and a single sound. आपके दिमाग में एक प्रश्न आ रहा होगा कि ग्रुप 4 में दो दो लेटर्स एक साथ आ रहे हैं वॉवेल के, ठीक है, और फिर इसके बाद जो है इसका एक ही साउंड आ रहा है, राइट. सो यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि लॉन्ग वॉवेल्स प्रेजेंट किए जाते हैं, जैसे कि अभी मैंने आप लोगों को कल बताया था कि ग्रुप 3 तक हम वॉवेल्स भी कवर करते हैं, है ना. तो देखो, पूरे 5 वॉवेल्स के साउंड क्लियर हो गए, कंप्लीट हो गए, ठीक. लेकिन यहाँ पर ग्रुप 4 में जो वॉवेल साउंड आता है वो होता है लॉन्ग वॉवेल साउंड. They are long vowel sounds. So AI, A, OA, O, IE, or. Okay. So these are the long vowel sounds. और ये जो long vowel sounds होते हैं, ये sound जब ये दे रहे हैं तब ये इनका नेम ही इनका साउंड होता है. सो इन ग्रुप 4 द नेम ऑफ द फर्स्ट वॉवेल लेटर is the sound of both the letters together. Like A and I, they follow one rule. When two vowels go walking, the first does the talking, calls its name. ये इस रूल को फॉलो करते हैं, और इस रूल को फॉलो करते हुए जैसे ए और आई दोनों एक साथ हैं, सो प्रिटेंड दैट ए एंड आई बोथ आर वॉकिंग. ठीक है, ए और आई दोनों चल रहे हैं. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज ए एंड द सेकेंड वन इज आई, राइट. ए और आई दोनों चल रहे हैं, पहला वाला ए है, दूसरा वाला आई है. तो इसमें क्या होगा कि जो ए है वो बात कर रहा है, तो जो जो आई है वो सुन रहा है. सी नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग एंड यू आर लिसनिंग, सो यू आर साइलेंट. ओके. सो व्हेन बोथ पीपल टॉक, इट्स नॉट अ कन्वर्सेशन, इट्स अ फाइट, राइट. इजंट इट. अगर दोनों एक साथ बकबक करेंगे, बात करेंगे, तो वो एक फाइट हो जाती है, वो एक कॉन्वर्जेशन नहीं होता है, राइट. सो इट्स इन अ गुड कॉन्वर्जेशन द वन हु स्पीक्स द सेकंड पर्सन लिसन्स, and then it's a good conversation, right. So when A is talking, I is silent, right. So what is A talking about? A is talking about the name of himself. A अपना खुद का नेम बोल रहा है, and what is the name? A. I told you last time, the name of the letter is different and the sound is different in English, right. So A and A is talking, A is calling its name, that is A. So similarly in OOA, O is talking, calling its name as O. So A will be silent. Similarly in I and E, I is talking and calling its name, saying I. So E will be silent. Okay. So similarly it goes on. Now there may be a question in your mind that, ma'am, you said that this is a long vowel in group 4, but in OR, R is not a vowel, then why does it comes in group 4? So from here we introduce bossy R to the kids. And the main rule for this group is the second letter being silent. इस ग्रुप का ये रूल है कि जो सेकेंड लेटर होता है वो साइलेंट होता है. तो ओ आर में जो साउंड आएगा, आ, इट्स आ। तो दूसरा लेटर जो आर है ना, इसका साउंड दब जाता है, और इसीलिए यहां से हम आर कंट्रोल्ड साउंड जो है वो बच्चों को कराते हैं, राइट? सो दैट्स आ। आ। ओके, दिस इज द साउंड. So now let us understand with the sounds and the actions. Yes. So now let us do the actions with A. Oh, the screen is not visible, right? Wait, I'll present the screen. Yes, group 4, the action is and the sound is A, 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 Ch, Ch, Ch. You have to wobble your body. Ch, 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 Ch. Then O, 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 I, 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 I. E, or. Okay, so this is the sound and the action. Now for Z. Z. You have to be a busy bee, bumblebee, and you have to buzz like a bee. Z. Then blow the wind like this. Mm, mm. Then like this. Mm, 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 mm. Then drive the van. V, 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 v. And for see double O and double O here, one double O is a short like in book. We write B double O K, but we end the U sound फर्स्ट. जब हम डबल ओ लिखते हैं बुक में, तो डबल ओ तो लिखते हैं बुक वर्ड में, तो वो डबल ओ जल्दी एंड हो जाता है. लेकिन वहीं जब हम मून बोलते हैं, बट व्हेन वी से मून, so at that time double o we write, but it extends, it exceeds longer. We say moon, broom, tomb, groom, right? So double o is extended, so that is long double o. वो वाला sound क्या होता है? Long double o. And short double o is book, shook, took, look. Okay, so these are the sound for short double o. Okay, and the action and the sound is ooh 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 ooh. You have to pretend yourself to be a cuckoo. आपको एक कुकू बनना है, कुकू क्लॉक का, और फिर आपको करना है ऊ ऊ ऊ ऊ ऊ ऊ ऊ. Okay, so this is the sound and the action for double O and double O. Okay, short double O and long double O. You will have a separate rule for this in spelling rules, short double O and long double O. Okay, now next, group 6. For group 6, the sound and the action is yeah, 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 yeah. And for X, 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 x. So this is the sound and the action. Then the next is ch, 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 sh, sh, sh. And for th and the, here th is sound as th and th is sound as the. When it's hard, it sound as the, and when it's soft, it sound as th. We'll be understanding the examples and the concept of hard and soft. Listen. Th, Okay, so this is the sound and the action. Th, the, th, the, th, the. Okay, now next is QU, Kuwa, in group 7. Kuwa, 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 Kuwa. Ow, 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 ow. Oi, 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 oi. You, you, you. Arr, 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 ar. Please wait. Yeah, so sorry. Actually, I stopped the recording, but the thing is, people do not understand what to do, what not to do. Okay, where were we? Let me share it again. Yes. Uh-huh. Er, er, It's ER, okay? The second last sound. Er, er. Then ah, ah, So these are the sounds and the actions till group 7. Okay. Now I'll be showing you the sounds as well. I'll be sharing the sounds. I hope that you all have seen the video of the 42 sounds which I have already shared you. I hope आप लोगों ने देख लिया होगा. Now I am playing the
Excuse
songs,
me,
and with these songs you will be
excuse me,
doing the
ma'am.
actions along with me. Yes, Zina, you want to say something?
Can I ask you something, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, why all these actions are so different? It's difficult to remember all those actions.
Ma'am, have you not attended the phonics webinar of 42 sounds?
No, ma'am. Actually, I was late. Yesterday, I was late. Late 20
No,
minutes
not
later.
for
That's why.
yesterday. Are you an ECC or NTT student? Uh,
Yes, ma'am, but not this much.
so you have not completed the phonics webinar of 42 sounds, right? Isn't it? That's why you're feeling so. That's why.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
that's why you're feeling so. See, every sound is having a story. Every sound has a different song. That song only I'm playing. So every sound has a different story. So when we see onto that story, the sounds are with reflecting towards that story. हर साउंड का एक अलग स्टोरी होता है और उस स्टोरी के अकॉर्डिंग उनके एक्शन होते हैं और इसीलिए ये एक्शन सब अलग अलग हैं.
It's very much difficult, ma'am, to remember all these
It,
actions. How
it's
do you
not
do
it's
that?
it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. I'll explain. I'll be sharing the link of the phonics webinar when we do in our ECC course. So I'll be sharing that link also. You are from which batch?
Which batch means, ma'am?
You are from where? You are from where? The
Actually,
place?
ma'am, husband is in army, so
So
presently
you
I'm
are
in
directly
Meerut.
a teacher. You are not doing ECC from IUWT.
I've done ECC, but from different college.
Okay, you have done from different area. Okay, okay. So you have not attended the phonics webinar. This
No,
is the
no,
thing.
ma'am.
Okay. Do
No,
you
ma'am, I
want me
haven't.
to conduct the webinar again for you all or you all will join it in the another session? आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आपका इसी में ले लूं कि अलग से आप join
If
करोगे इसे?
every other one has attended, ma'am, then you can send me the link.
हाँ हाँ
If
I'll
all
I'll share
others
I'll share
have
the
attended,
link of that. और फिर
take
आप
time.
उसमें देखिएगा because every sound is having a different story. हर sound
Yes,
का ना
ma'am.
अलग अलग story होता है और उसके according उसका action होता है. Every sound has a different action according to the story. But when we practice, it won't
Okay.
be difficult. And if you hear the story ना, then it won't be any
Yes.
difficult. Now,
Okay,
as of
ma'am.
now, you are getting everything new, and that's why you're feeling that way.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This
So
is the
kindly share me the link
I'll
or
share.
video,
I'll
whatever
share.
you have,
Whenever
because
the
I don't want
webinar
to.
is there live, I'll share the link with you in this group so that you can
Okay.
just join that also.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
Please
And
continue.
I'll share the previous pre-recorded videos also in our class WhatsApp group. So you can join that also. You can see that also.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Don't worry.
Please continue.
सो नाउ आई बी प्लेइंग दिस सॉन्ग्स इन द जिंगल्स. देखिए, जो मैंने आपको क्या बताया था कि फोनिक्स को सीखने के 5 ट्रिक्स होते हैं. ठीक है. तो वो जो 5 ट्रिक्स में हर एक में एक स्टोरी, एक साउंड, एक एक्शन और इसके साथ लेटर फॉर्मेशन, फ्लैश कार्ड सब दिखाना होता है. तो इसमें जो सॉन्ग है, वो सॉन्ग जो अलीफोनिक्स का जो है वो मैं अभी प्ले कर रही हूँ. वो सॉन्ग को सुनते ही आपको मेरे साथ में एक्शन और सॉन्ग साउंड दोनों निकालना है, दोनों. ओके. सो नाउ आई एम प्लेइंग. यस, इट्स फॉर एस. कैन यू हियर? कैन यू हियर?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ओके. देन ए, द साउंड फॉर ए. So you feel like ants are crawling on your hands like this. Okay. So tell the story for Zenith. I'll tell the story in small 2 lines so that she will also understand. So for S, the story is like the snake is into the grass. Okay. So you have to pretend that how snake is crawling onto the grass. Okay. And for A, you have to pretend that ants are crawling on your hands like this. Ah, 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 ah. Okay, so this is the sound and the action. The song is Samaya, 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 then for T. So for T, you have to pretend that you are watching a tennis game, and in the tennis court, you hear the sound as. So this is the sound, okay? And listen to the song. So when you watch the tennis game, your head goes back and forth like this. Okay, so this is the action. Okay, now next. I. Now for I, the story is a small mouse is there and mouse has spelled ink over it. Mouse के ऊपर ink गिर गई है. So the boy who is watching this, the boy feels that it's an inky mouse. So the boy informs others like e, 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 e. So this is the sound and the action. Listen to the song. This is my cat. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. So this is for I. Then next is P. For P, the story is there's a birthday party going on, and in the birthday party, the boy is cutting a pink color, pink shaped cake. So all children are telling the boy to puff out the candle like this. So this is the sound and the action. Listen to the song. Now N. For N, the story is children are pretending to be an aeroplane, and as they are pretending to be an aeroplane, they are putting their hands all together and they are moving their hands like this to be an airplane like this and saying, hmm. 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 So this is the sound and the action. Listen to the song.
Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise.
You all are able to hear the song, right? If yes, please show a thumbs up
Not
like.
properly, but I can.
Yeah,
I
okay.
can understand.
Okay, you can understand. Okay. Voice is breaking, probably due to this network issue. Now we'll enter into group two. In group two, the story is there is a woman who is playing with a musical instrument called castanets, and she's clicking the castanets like this. C and K both give the same sound, and some children are flying the kites, so they are flying the kite like this. So for C, you have to click the castanets, and for flying the kite, you have to fly the kite like this. So listen to the song.
We are kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
Then next is E. So the mother is making an omelette. While the mother is making the omelette, she cracks the egg. Children are making the sound as the egg cracks. You have to pretend that you're holding the egg and you're cracking the egg like this. Eh, 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 eh. So this is the sound and the action. Listen to the song. Okay, so this is for E. Then H. For H, the story is you have to feel your breathe like this. Listen to the song. Then for R. For R, the story is uh, a boy is finding out something. His pet dog has put something on the mouth. The boy is snatching. So the dog is ripping like this. This is the action and the sound. Listen to the song.
See,
Next is M. For M, you're feeling the food is very tasty and you're rubbing your tummy like this. Mmm. Mmm.
children.
Then for D. For D, you have to bang the drum like this. Duh, 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 duh. Listen.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me playing on my drum.
Now, next group 3. We will do the songs till group 3. Tomorrow we'll be doing the songs from group 4 to 7. Okay. And after that, we will be entering into the PDF. Now for G. You have to pretend that the water is gurgling down like this. Spiral your hand like this so that the water gurgles down.
The water goes down the drain, the water goes down the drain, the water goes down the drain with my breath.
Oh. Now for O, you have to switch on the light, switch off the light, switch on the light, switch off the light.
Now it's time for the next one. Time for the next one.
Next, U. For U, you have to pretend that you are opening an umbrella like this. Uh, 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 uh. Then L. For L, you have to pretend that you are licking a lollipop. Mm, 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 mm. Then next for F, you have to pretend that you are saving an inflated fish like this. You have to blow the air.
What's a hobby?
Then B. For B, you have to pretend that you are hitting a ball with a bat like this. You have to pretend your hand to be a bat and you have to hit b, 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 b.
Bring up and ten, bring your ball to the bar to play.
So these are the sounds and the actions till group 3. Tomorrow we'll be doing the sound story and the action from group 4 to group 7, which we have learned today, so that you will revise it tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, we'll be entering into the whole curriculum of group of all the levels, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. I will be sharing all the curriculum. I'll also be sharing in the class WhatsApp group. मैं क्लास व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी आपको बता दूंगी कि लेवल 1 में क्या क्या आता है, लेवल 2 में क्या आता है, लेवल 3 में क्या आता है, लेवल 4 में क्या आता है, ताकि वो आपके लिए बहुत इजी और कन्वीनियंट हो जाएगा और आपको भी पता चल जाएगा कि अभी इसके बाद ये होना है, अब इसके बाद ये होना है, इसके बाद ये होना है। लेवल 1 हमारा 42 साउंड्स में कंप्लीट होता है और फिर उसके कुछ बेसिक्स होते हैं जो हमको कवर अप करने होते हैं। तो 42 साउंड्स हम ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट करने ही वाले हैं। इस वीक में हमारा लेवल 1 कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। 5th September will be holiday on account of Milad and Nabi and Teachers Day both. 6th Saturday is always a holiday and Sunday. So after 4th, we'll be directly meeting on 8th. Okay. So we'll end up our session here. If you have any doubts, you can ask me any questions.